Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to teach you how to do soldering job when you have no electricity. If you're out in the field, let's say you're taking your remote control car or drone, or you're camping, remote control boat or anything, or you name it. If you have no electricity and you need to solder a wire, it's going to be a big problem. And this is the solution. So this is a gas-powered soldering iron that takes cigarette lighter fluid from here, the same way as the cigarette lighter. Let me show you with a different camera angle. So the same way you refill it as you would refill a cigarette lighter, and then you need an igniter. It doesn't have its own igniter, so you need an igniter. And it turns on. As you can see, it has a blue flame in the beginning. Let me put this in the, you could see the blue flame there. So it has to warm up. This one's edge is broken, but it still works. You could see the blue flames all around. I'm going to turn off the light so you can see better. You see the blue flames? So it takes a little while for it to warm up enough to be able to solder. Okay, I think it's ready. So now I'm going to show you how it works. Maybe not. It needs a minute or two. Actually, when it is ready, it turns all red. The center core turns red. I think I lost the flame there. Okay, so now you could see the center is red. See that? How red it is? Really, really bright red. So this should be ready. I'm going to turn on the light now, because now you can see it easily. And there it is. It's soldering like a charm. The reason why it didn't solder in the beginning, because the tip was oxidized. So there it is. Soldering like a charm. I didn't need a big piece of solder there, but anyways. So you get the idea. There. Let's refresh this one right here. Let's refresh this solder. And there it is, nice and fresh. To turn it off, you simply turn it off. Turn this thing off and it's off. That's it. So it's a pretty handy tool to use on the go. When you're on the go, when you have... This happened to me when I was flying my drone and I needed to solder a cable that broke in the drone. But you know, I thought I should bring it to you because a lot of people didn't know it existed. They didn't know that there is such thing as a, lighter fluid powered soldering iron. So there you go. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.